is going to end well. Back to you, studio.
Fred Matui there from Kisii, and in Eldoret, we now join Elvis Koskei for an update on the exams in the county of Uasin Gishu. Elvis, good afternoon. What's the latest?
Thank you very much, Akisa. And here in Uasin Gishu, already 23,581 candidates are already sitting for their English paper. I'm told this is the second paper, and the last paper will be later after this English paper that they're doing right now. And I talked to the sub-county director, David Koech, who mans both Ainapkoi constituency and Moiben constituency, and he said that at 6 they're already issuing candidates with the papers, and at 8:30 exactly they started doing the paper. In Elgeyo Marakwet County, something that I can also report at Murukuto area. This is in Marakwet East, Elgeyo Marakwet County, is that yesterday they witnessed banditry attacks where villages were attacked by, I'm told, raiders from the neighboring community. But according to the OCPD there, Leminjiru, was that no cattle was stolen, and the situation right now there is that there is relative calm. Maybe to talk to Sami Uluma, who is the principal of Central Primary School. What is the situation right now in your school? Have you experienced any challenges?
We have not experienced any challenges. The school is peaceful. The environment is very, very conducive. And we talk of at the right time. We just finished the second paper. We did mathematics in the morning, and now we have just finished English. Everything is okay.
How many candidates sat for this year Kenya Certificate of Primary Education?
We have 84 registered candidates, and all of them are sitting for the paper. Yes.
As a school, what do you expect maybe at the end of the year?
We have worked well, and we expect very good results. A mean score of above 300. Yes.
Thank you very much. I'll now talk to David Koech, the sub-county director of Ainapkoi constituency. I know that you've moved in Moiben and Ainapkoi constituency. Maybe paint a picture of what is really happening at those particular schools. Any challenges?
So far, so good. There are no challenges so far in our sub-county. We started very well in the morning at 6, and we distributed all the papers. By 8:30, all the papers were in most of our schools. And I think the first paper has been done very well. They are through. They are now in the second session of the paper. And we hope at the end of the day we shall be through with the exams. There are so far no challenges at all. Yes.
Even in those places that I'm told it rained yesterday night, so some roads were difficult to access?
No. Yesterday, somehow we were not having any rains in our place, but so far now it's okay. We have not had any experience of any challenge. And we hope even tomorrow and the following day we shall be okay with the exams.
How many candidates do we have in Eldoret East?
Eldoret East, we have 6,590 candidates who are sitting for this year's KCB 2017. And we hope they are also going to perform very well. Yes.
Thank you very much. That was David Koech, the sub-county director of education in Ainapkoi constituency and Moiben constituency. Akisa, also the security has been beefed up in most of the schools in this region, and also the education officials have expressed optimism that the